At Genfitt, we offer our reseller customers a high-quality merchandising service designed to ensure that retail displays are tidy, consistent, fresh and adequately stocked. With our generations of knowledge, we provide our customers with the best in-store displays for our products. We now have new stands available including Genfitt paint, welding and cutting discs and mechanics tools. To find out more about our merchandising service, email us at info@genfitt.ie or contact your local sales rep.